If you own a Porsche 911 GT3 in the United States, you're in for some exciting news. Porsche Cars North America has introduced a performance kit developed by its renowned partner, Manthey Racing, available for purchase and installation at official Porsche centers. This kit is designed to enhance the already formidable capabilities of the 911 GT3, making it even more adept at shaving precious seconds off lap times at demanding racetracks. Components of the Manthey Racing Performance Kit: aerodynamic enhancements, bullet, front spoiler lip and side flaps. These new components increase downforce on the front axle, providing better grip and stability. Bullet, underbody air guide elements, modified elements to further enhance downforce and aerodynamic efficiency. Bullet, rear wing and gurney flap. A wider swan neck rear wing with larger end plates and an increased angle of attack, complete with a gurney flap for added downforce. Bullet, rear diffuser fins. Larger fins made from carbon fiber reinforced polymer, CFRP, for improved rear aerodynamics. Bullet, aero discs on rear wheels. These discs enhance the car's overall aerodynamic efficiency. Suspension and handling. Bullet, four-way coilover suspension, specially developed by Porsche and Manthey. The system allows for tool-free adjustment to 4 different positions, accommodating various driving conditions and preferences. Bullet, increased spring rates. Front axle spring rates are up by 10%, and rear axle rates by 7%, contributing to better handling and stability. Bullet, braided steel brake lines. These provide more consistent braking performance under high-stress conditions. Performance gains. These targeted upgrades translate into significant performance improvements. A Manthey Racing upgraded 911 GT3 has clocked a lap time of 6 minutes 55.737 seconds at the Nürburgring, a remarkable 4.19 seconds faster than a standard GT3. This achievement not only underscores the effectiveness of the Manthey kit but also boosts the bragging rights for GT3 owners. Availability and enthusiast appeal. Starting this year, U.S. owners of the current 911 GT3 can benefit from these enhancements. Cheryl Gruner, CEO of Porsche Cars North America, expressed enthusiasm about seeing these upgraded cars at events like the Rennsport Reunion 7 at Laguna Seca. The Manthey Racing Kit allows GT3 owners to push their cars to new limits, reflecting Porsche's ongoing commitment to motorsport excellence and customer satisfaction. For Porsche 911 GT3 owners looking to maximize their car's track performance, the Manthey Racing Performance Kit offers a compelling blend of advanced aerodynamics, suspension enhancements, and braking improvements, making an already outstanding vehicle even more exceptional.